Tabungan, apa yang kalian namaga, kan semua penuh, semua kekauan dua tempat, nama sama di kalawai. Jom ke inyong pasak wala sama di kalawai, jom ke balang. Kawai kedai baka, semua kau kadinang kada kidan komuniti, hina komuniti sama kita ngok hati hati, tinggi kita pun doa. Nanta nak anda pun kuat jadi kibre di balang ngok lalu, drugs, kuat lah. Kebenaran saya kadeka physical. More physical terkadang haban lesion awal. Ni haban lesion ini itu doktor specialist. Nanti bandi itu kawai, itu anti psychotic drugs. Kita bukan jangan itu didawai ban ya di drugs. Nampak tidak kamu kita counseling. Kami ketika kepada kami mau kepada kami ya ini kepada drugs dan kami kita counseling. Kita counseling kemudian kita kajian semua. Mau kajian semua. Jom ini ya kita beri dalam kita beri kita laman ban ino ban hatno ini tinggi jom drugs. Kadang-kadang kamu kemudian tidak buat tentang ada counseling ini. Ya dan kita kajian semua jom ini matang kadawai itu ni. Kita kena basan 100% kadawai, basan 100% pada kita spiritual no, kita counseling ini lembah kami kesan ada di support itu. Mau nak kalian kami kesan di benefit, di benefit, mau ban sakit mah hidup kita nama berkuah berkuah. Sebab berkuah kemudian di benerapi ini di support itu, di anisem itu. Kunjung ke counseling nak kalian dong spiritual kemudian nak yang mungkin kemudian nakabalang namin nakikita sama isang ng pastor na pagmamasan ba't kintatarke ito libre balangok ha uli-ubot student ang mga counseling student ang mga support sa dungin but harang siyempre yakin libre ba't kilangok hindi bang identity bakin kaya kabamot hindi ba niya rabi hindi ba habang nagtundo ang sinasingkil hindi ba si taksi ba hindi ba siya ang dati hindi ba niya rabi ba support itu hindi ba ang sinasingkil pinambak ko hindi ang sinasingkil wala sinasingkil kaya kabamot ba't nilak ang rabi kong ya ini drop bakal ini kalau hidup kita tekan nang kemudian pada jangka semua ini dibagi drop kita pergi ke rehabilitation center tiba labu dah keseka labu nak dihentikan di Jongi kami tiba di York tidak bantu hak semua apa di haban leban dan semua nangka ke di sini kabang apa semua di bagian rakyat ragam na kini dicindik di Basmil nama pilong kalawai jong yang salang pilong kalawai jong pejat jemur habis semua telur tak bubur kaging kesambut ke telur pejat jemur ke telur keinginan salang dulu ke telur bat hindi ban kuat mak ini jengrai hindi ban kuat ya kini jengsil nama ini disupan kami ini tang support mereka wanra ya jengsil si wanra ya kejeng kencang, siang pisang, semua kedian habut. Bagi mendiri bang, ya baik tanya kami hitam suha tiba kepercayaan ke item support. Hindi bang ya baik tanya kami hitam suha, nama rangi isang lang long kilaway, nagmula kami kesan hatoy isisin teknik satay kalau nyawasan, nipuak kalau nyawasan jenis kalau long nyawasan kebebahan, nipuak betul jenis kesakaman, nipuak betul jenis pilihan kehakim buat pemirsa. Tiba seliu. Jadi banjir yang tak lentik berbah, di banjir lu itu kiparlah berbah, nangka kebatasan banjana lebih syaulah. Jadi bantu mau berbor ulah haji ini jangan. Matang kadawai kadisin kama bantempat yakni di bagi drop. Henry lembaga jangan jadi syaulah. Hina ban overcome dengan hina ban mau bantekat ya ini di jindi ini di jindi bakal ada emergency. Nampak pun dia akan suci dan mengangkat ekologi di turun, dengan dan habis nari atau orang. Kemudian kalau bertemu dengan mesin betul, badan betul tinggi, mesin juga baik yang boleh. Kita kemudian berani boleh. Kita mesin tapi ketemu juga boleh. Badai tayung songsa jong ublay. Yang dan pensiu, ni pencoba yang kena kena jengil tak mudi pensiu se ya ublay. Nama kena kena jengil kita berbalap hal ublay ni, ublay ulah tenang dia mandiri ini, hadut tuli kembali bang. Hindi ni pencoba yang ini pensiu, hindi ban penjat yang kena kejengil. Untuk Kristan di bidang suhu ya kata. Bila dadan makrintong ki hakami ko yo se sila tunok hakami di babuan lani tambay hamu udrak waktu su tu kenal ba hila ban e undan dala ban pantang ki habas dan kamon kabumod ba hila ban le indi kia basha lagi jing kita dijing kunjar syukur kia basha ya kita dijing saja kalau dijing kita ki dijing pelak ya jenggot dijing terkajang ki ndai laga dan kamon kabumod ba hila but today ban buare ya kita read di ban wan sakmat ban yale di ban wan shin di dawai di shin ban dan kami di counseling di ban le di counseling nakapor nang ban overcome ni pila ban hat ya tadi ini di jinsil ini di jin pisau ba badan ha happy nangka ya kini kumbang pelamang kebiang kuliah snow kuliah ini betul ni kembang kanlang kajun toy yaki ya kepada baromo ikibasna hakani kapor ni kembang lembaga pendidikan lembaga pendidikan lang jongi yang ni program lembaga youth center committee kanlang sosial kata dasing so ada kita sahabat ya lese lembaga ni program nak beli ya kita kita dijemput toy tiba ketika dijemput so dan saya lihat di sini di Banwan. Tu boleh dijemput untuk mereka berarti dia sebut.
Kemudian sibuk kau yang di keren di joki, di nikai di joki. Dan abang siap bahan di bawah di kemudian sentri di sensor hai. Nama berkini di kita nak jom kita di ilah panau. Kita lakukan bat yang beriu atau beriu yang sistem dan tak. Ini kita pilih di tong yang kita di Jumat sesuatu yang kita itu amat lembah yang kita buat. Disebut tong, disebut doktor atau kita ini kita keren, kita semua sebab kita syai kita keren kita kiri. Bilang sesuatu yang betul. What they knew, but ya baru tempat dia seluling bah tadi ketendang di sawah. Nangkah kita kepor pada nangkah, namar berlayu sekren tentu di ai sesuai di luai dan tempat di mes iban yai sara. Ini instrumen ban sim kita ketentang dan ketentang ban ai di luai hati kita ketentang. Hadir jom i banjai saraf ilir na tepat i Mr. Imat diberi counselor jom ke Narcotics Anonymous di Belidan dekat batni hadir kepuar atau baik sebatai bahak Wayne Drops bat hadir kerukum ketintrim jom ketintrim herkma jom Drops khamtam kun sama juga ni hadir kesini kibat mentah hatari khasi kebaki kejami bat hatari biaya barok kejami Terpa akhir dekor yaitu iban yai sara ini iksobha banwan sis kemat dan yang kedua.
kemudian bukan ayu ini bila kemarin dengan ini kita terbuka dan kemudian kita berbicara seperti dan sedikit kalau ada yang mungkin kita awal juga kita dan ayat ini juga akan semua untuk mengetahui ibad berulang kita dimulai dengan ayat seperti dari download ini. Kebulan rohli amat.
Klishbon ya ilis i ban ya sana sili nagrata di jingwai di ki ban persan ini hakan restet ke mata nang bakal memlang pili bak sudah dan kesur tersebut kenap mereka perlok ki kinong tem di bubiang bat mungkin skam ba pinjai ni bat punang lah nagrata ban nang pembahas isu kesur ke ki ban milat nang berbilang jong ruai jong mau po jong kali jong bak wat sabar kita lei free berjarak iki agesti bak itu bar i paru sosong di jonga haswa by Mr. Imat ibadi counselor the narcotics anonymous is I the different nasuwar titik syati hakan kepuar pemerintah banyak kalian jong deputy commissioner hakan dikatayo ke beradab lakot ya kawai ke meeting na pemerintah kislong di badan ko jong tadi ke national highway kabayat nanti disilong ng spike banyak si deputy commissioner jong Eastern West Hassels district lakot kami kislong ke bahap ako jong tadi kasilok ba Ba't kita ada jumpa meeting ke jangkau kalau nak kita banyak trend banyak sili jemput bakulu baombu no ya kita ki patakiak lagi hidupan dikiak harus jangkau kesurok nasional highway ngam sekti lagi ngam sui habang trend hakmat jangki ki pai ba masuk senong lagi ki bamar jam senong hadir ke puar ke pemerintah hakaban kalian jongi ilalik penyiskin mentah Bat hadirin bagi referan wilayah Tai, kidan kat tu kat ni Krishna. Ki balap pedang seluruh hari, ya ki bakung kita, ki patakia, bakin dan Krishna kita ki. Nak kalian jongi, nasno banai tubleiru, ya kitu ki saudara Krishna ki bapok dan bikin si pelun. Hata bana kalian jongi raai baik, yang takarai. Bana kalian jongi Krishna ki bapok dan bikin si pelun. Ngin numra ban kudiang ya kinu ki patakia Ibadian harus bersurat Haupu Islam dan Islam Kesi Pendek Bana Rijau Skim Bak Kesokar Kilek Persah Kabamutni Nak Kaliang Jong Kisnong Kibahak Kapok Dan Kesi Pendek Nin Yang Banilek Persah Ya Kali Nama Banilok Pernisian Bakani Ka Senong Kajongi Ka Senong Kersi Kisnong Kibadan Apok Jongka Ngidang Lat Simun Habia Pinang Bak Kuwai Pat Kisnong Ki badan nak training jauh jing sir nak kadau jauh jing kai kia bat nak si haduk ini kesini ke bamata ila batan nak jing kenrei jauh jing kai jauh pro tentang nak kadang jauh ini we ki pat ba nak senong bat ni we ru ni ki balang ke bakero here bami ni trailang bat ni nang ba nila bandar ding kong ni jing sir bagi pun kiti ke jona bat ke jonilang barok kinwat nak ini ke sini ke bofero bat hamtok yang ni drop kubla sedang ban jele hakin ke jong ke tan ke joni nin kuat bagi pun sama ke joni kin ma ke jong ki lagi ilong kumi ke lokpa ke badan ke kun bagi ma ke jong hakin ke sen ke jong ki nama kita kadang kan Baha kini kibenai ke banuan lasi nak kalian skim nak kalian jauh DC un sepak yang ciki syaki senong di bukher di baha apa ruput Islam di East and West Kafir District kibadan harus jaga surat national highway tapi kejongi kalau ni kermen scam bagi wei saudara senong kini trailang bat kinum kuat aru bakini kipatakia kinwan bat kini harus jom Islam lani harus jom surok jom kaniga surok ba jom ikerman skam ba mengibaro ngani yang teli nak berta bangin yang lingba jom kaniga rai jom kasoka lingba jom deputy commissioner jom il jom kelima nakwa bana kalian jom ke dong katang ke jom kan ma ban pediang ya teli hadi ke por ke pemerintah so ban khat yai Mr. Iman ibadai kaunselor baik sebahar mansur khmat ban ai ya betul
By the grace of God, and a program I have. The program is in what we do here is, I'll tell you later, I'll just give you a rough to know I left that. So, being some time now, it's like this. So, everyone who's taking drugs, it started as a fun thing. Like, for me, I go to a project, I need to be a little high on the credit. If it's any kind of conflict, I have to have my job. Or anything, Anything which is very I can do about it. So it's been like that. It went on. Didn't know how to use that. Until there was a point where I couldn't do what to do. I was stuck. I was stuck in the middle. I couldn't move forward. The only thing I was get up in the morning is to how to ask money from someone, how to steal from somewhere, how to teach someone. All these things were there in one point of time. The world is going on. I am stuck in my job. The cycle is carrying on for years and years and years. I try, I go, I like to see doctor, but I medicine, I go on. That's it. But then again what happens? After some time, that medicine doesn't help you anymore. I don't know what's happening. So, I go back to my job where I start taking. But then again, you know, there was a time when I met a person and he told me the way again how you go about it. It's nothing but it's a mental and physical problem you have and you are affected there. You're physically gone. But these drugs, I don't want the drugs, but my body wants it. You know, I wanted to get up. I wanted to go to a doctor. I want the drugs to eat. I want the drugs to eat. I want the drugs to talk to people. I cannot look at a person eye to eye because my eyes are red. I cannot look at person. I cannot talk to them. My self-esteem is low. My self-esteem is so low. I cannot talk to a person. I cannot talk properly. It feels like that. So you can you get depressed. Your friends, your classmates have gone forward. They are working, but you're stuck there. You're stuck there with your work, and then it becomes like depression, frustration, everything inside of you. Inside a person who is addicted. You get addicted only, later stage when you can't feel it. It's that your body also, you don't want it, but then you cannot, you also ashamed of yourself. You cannot just tell your spa, your mail that, I'm having drugs. It's so shameful. You cannot, the society will know what will they say about me. Things like that. If the society knows I'm taking drugs. The only problem here is about drugs is that drugs is not open in the society. But alcohol is sold everywhere, everywhere in every shop. It is like, it is there. So, if someone goes to the alcohol shop and buys it and goes to the no one will say anything, but if he's taking drugs, these drugs, they say like that. The boy is having, you don't go to see that guy, he's having drugs. What is the difference? Even if you're having alcohol, you're having that. The only thing is, in a powder form or a grass form it's not liquid. But then again, it differs. It's a chemical of choice of what, how you start it. So then at one point of time came where I got this message of the first test program, first services and first test and 12 services, where you are taught that you are powerless over the addiction, over the addiction you are taking. The drugs are controlling you. The drugs are controlling you. You have no spirituality in you. You don't trust God. You don't trust anyone. What you need to do is you need to trust someone. So you trust the program, they say. You trust someone, you don't believe in God, you trust a higher power, they say. Trust a higher power who will lead your way, but don't take drugs and speak. So what you do is you go for a detox. You go, come back, you try, you fail, you go, you come back. I've done that. But then there was a time where, it was said that, enough is enough. You cannot do anything, you need to change. But with drugs, you cannot think straight. All the right decisions you cannot make. Your head is all gone. You become all, you don't know what to talk about, you don't know what to say, you don't know what to do. You cannot do that unless you are away from drugs for quite some time, say about 3 months, 6 months, then you can make, all the dirt is flushed out from your body, and then you start making the right decisions, which I did. I left, I started, helping in the society, I started, helping the other addicts, I started helping broken families, all addict families, whoever, it can be a friend, whoever, it can be a brother, wife, husband, or whoever. But then again, the only thing is that broken families, I started helping. Why? Because the program told me this is how you get free. So when I got free, I started helping families. This is the Narcotic Anonymous, and then in Narcotic Anonymous, we have the 12 step program. And in Narcotic Anonymous, only 2 people can open up a meeting room. It's a meeting where only addicts who are in recovery, meaning they have left drugs and they are going to the meeting and studies, their ups and downs of every day-to-day life. Day-to-day life, they don't get in that room. Even in selfie, here, if someone wants to open a meeting room, 2 people can do it. They have to be clean. I have those, what we call the literature. You just put the blood bags and first and the first everything, what is there. And you need to not use and exactly what the legislature says we need to do, and calling more people and ask them, this is how it works. You cannot talk to your parents, you cannot talk to your society, you can only talk here in this room. You can only come and talk here in this room and tell what you're feeling. If you're using, you can come. What you're feeling, why are you using, your root causes of your using, the root causes. You have to check out all that, and then you will share whatever that is anonymous, that is between the addict who sits in the chair and the other person who is an addict who listens to the person who is there. So we cannot share it to a normal person. He will not understand, I think, what we are trying to say. So it will be only between the addicts there. They will share and they will help each other stay clean. This is how we have others stay clean. If he's having a problem, he will talk to me. If I'm having a problem, I'll talk to him. This is what I'm facing today. So it is like that. And then these meetings, very long is held in Manchuria Church, Parish Divine Church in Manchuria, where we sit in Tuesdays, 5:30 to 6:30, and Fridays 5:30 to 6:30. But again, this is all you want to change. It is also that a person is willing to change or not. It's like you want to be yourself or not. Your new life. All your life, I have used for 25 years, so I can find it. So when I got clean, I started helping everyone. I kind of, made my foundation where I can, go forward. That's when I got married. Now I have a small little daughter, I can say. And I don't want her to see in that stage, that I was, that's where you are, and my children is looking at me and saying, it's like this. And I don't want to be like that. So this is what was also basically a thing where I married only when I came into recovery. I started doing all the things that came into recovery. Please, quite some time. I don't want to go back